everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about 5 things to never do when turning right or left while driving. That's right, I'll be going over 5 simple things that you should never do. So never do these 5 things when turning left or right while driving. Let's get right into the video. Number 1, the first thing that you should never do when you are turning is stare directly in front of the car. I cannot emphasize this enough. You have to look ahead in the turn, okay? If you stare directly in front of the car, any obstacles or obstructions on the road ahead of you are gonna pop at you by surprise. I'm gonna give you one example. For instance, let's say I was making this right-hand turn here, which I am. If I was to stare right in front of the car, I would not notice this car right here pulled over that I have to go around. But because I looked ahead on the road, I'm able to see that car right there that I had to go around. But if I was looking in front of the car, it just like, boom, it surprises you. And you don't want to be surprised when you're driving. That's a dangerous situation, okay? The second thing that you should never do when turning right or left is forget to signal. You see, I wanted to demonstrate it for you, but I signaled right now just because I can't not signal when I turn. I can't emphasize this enough. I cannot not signal when I turn. Like, it's happened before a couple of times in my entire driving career, but it was a complete accident and I thought that I'd signaled. I just didn't actually activate the signal lever, okay? So don't forget to signal, because your signal is your communication with other drivers, okay? So you need to tell other drivers what you plan on doing. So signal so that you can tell other drivers that you plan on turning right or left, okay? Make 100% certain that you use your signal. Your communication, aka your signaling, is a key factor for not getting into an accident. So as I'm about to turn left right here, I'm gonna signal left to let everyone else know what my intentions are. That I don't wanna go right, I don't wanna go straight, I wanna go left. So number 3, the third thing that you should never do, and unfortunately I see this happening often, is drive fast to beat a car. And I see this happening really, really often. I see this happening all the time, to be honest with you. Let's say I was turning left right there, and there was a car that was coming, and I couldn't make the left turn at driving a regular speed. I would floor it, let's say, and I beat the car. Or there's a pedestrian crossing, and I'm about to make a right turn, and I floor it, and I make the turn before the pedestrian gets there. So if you don't try to go fast to beat a car or a pedestrian, aka make your turn before they, approach the intersection or before they prevent you from making your turn. Because if you make one tiny error, if you forget to check your blind spot and you're flooring it to beat this pedestrian to the actual turn, there might be a cyclist there that you can injure, and you're flooring it. So like there's a very slim chance that you'll be able to brake on time. It's as simple as that, okay? Number 4, the 4th thing that you should never do is keep your hands crossed while you're making the turn. Now, when you use hand over hand steering, you will have to cross your hands for a moment. It's part of the turning method, part of the steering method, but you don't want to keep your hands crossed throughout the turn. You don't want to be turning like this, because that can be extremely, extremely dangerous. So never keep your hands crossed while turning. If you do hand over hand steering, if you use hand over hand steering and you cross your hands for a moment while you're making that turn, then uncross them, okay? Do whatever you can to not leave them crossed while you're actually making the turn. Try to uncross them during the turn if they happen to be crossed for a moment during the turn, okay? So don't leave your hands crossed, try to uncross them. Last but not least, the 5th thing that you should most definitely never do when turning right or left is let go of the steering wheel during the turn. Now, sometimes when you're driving straight, for a second, let's say I have to fix my glasses, I'll let go of the steering wheel for just a fraction of a second, just for like a quick moment like that. And that's not necessarily okay, but it's not extremely dangerous. If I see that there's no cars, no pedestrians, I'm on a perfectly straight road, I've done my scan ahead, and it's all safe, then for me to take my hands off for a quick moment, it's not really dangerous for the most part. I would recommend against it, but if you have to do it, it's not the worst thing, okay? But if you take your hand off the wheel when you're making a turn, your car is gonna start letting go of that turn. Okay, your car's gonna start steering back in the opposite way. If I'm making a left and I take my hand off the wheel during a turn, my car is gonna go back right a little bit. It's gonna steer right a bit. It's just the way that cars are built. So never, ever, ever let go of the steering wheel while making a turn. If you have to turn with one hand, if you have to steer with one hand to adjust your glasses or shift gears or whatever the case is, 100% you can do it. You can do it safely if you know what you're doing. But to do it without any hands, dangerous, very dangerous, not a good idea. So please never do that. And that's it. Those are 5 things to never do when turning right or left while driving. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.